औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। प्यारे तलबा व तालिबात, क्लास 9th बॉयज़ हाई स्कूल कोटलरी जोन मावर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम आपके सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स में एक थॉरम यहाँ पर करने जा रहे हैं। It is from chapter number 6 and the name of the topic is lines and angles. The theorem is that if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. It is an important theorem in this chapter. Theorem states that if the two lines intersect each other at one point, then the vertically opposite angles formed, they are equal. Dear students, look here that these are the two lines L and M. Line L and line M, they both intersect each other at point O. It means that O is the common point. There are four angles we get here. That first is angle A, and second is angle B, third angle C, and the last angle D, 4-1. Dear students, we have to prove that vertically opposite angles. We know that angle A and angle C, they are vertically opposite angles. These two angles A and C. Similarly, angle B and D, they are also vertically opposite angles. So here we look that there are two pairs of vertically opposite angles. First is A and C, and second is B and D. We have to prove that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. This is the theorem. Now let us start. First of all, we write here given. We write here that line L and M intersect each other at O. To prove, we have to prove that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. That is, vertically opposite angles are equal. Now we write here proof, which is very important. Dear students, that we know that line L, it is a line, and in this side OM is the common arm of angle A and angle B. So it means that angle A and angle B, they are called linear pair of angles. When two angles are formed on a straight line on one side, these two angles are called linear pair of angles. And we know that the sum of two linear pair of angles, they is always equal to 180. Here we write that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, and we write here that linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Angle A and angle B, both these two angles are formed on one side of the line L. So the sum of these two angles is always 180 because they are linear pair of angles. Similarly, we write here first equation. Similarly, Angle B and angle C, these two angles are also linear pair of angles. So the sum of angle B plus angle C is again equal to 180 degree. We write here in bracket linear pair of angles, right? And name this equation number second. Now look at here to the first equation, that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180, and in the second equation we see that angle B plus angle C is also equal to 180 degree. So we can say from first and second, therefore from first and second we get, as the sum of these two angles is 180 degree and the sum of these two angles is also equal to 180. So we can say that the angle A plus angle B is equal to angle A plus angle B is equal to angle B plus angle C, because the sum of these two angles is equal to 180. Now here we see that angle B and angle B, they get cancelled. Angle B and angle B here and angle B and this angle B, they get cancelled. We get that angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. Since they are vertically opposite angles, so we see here that vertically opposite angles are equal. We prove that angle A and angle C is equal to, so the vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. Similarly, we can prove also angle B is equal to angle D. Here we write therefore, so also angle B can be equal to angle D. Therefore, vertically opposite angles are equal. This was a theorem we proved here, that when two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are always equal to each other. This was the today's my offline lecture for the 9th class students from the subject of mathematics. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.